Thorax mnemonics. The human thorax includes the thoracic cavity as well as the thoracic wall. It also has some important organs like the heart, lungs, as well as the thymus gland. It also has some muscles, arteries, veins, and some other important structures. Remembering all the structures and the information may be a quite difficult task. So, to make it easy, I'm making some important mnemonics of the thorax region. Actually, remembering all the mnemonics of the anatomy is quite exhausting and it is also a time consuming. So, it's enough if you study some important mnemonics to make it easy for your further study. First one, to identify the aorta versus the vena cava, which is right and which is left. Aorta is having 5 letters, that is A-O-R-T-A, and right have 5 letters R-I-G-H-T. So both have 5 letters, so it is present on the right side. Whereas vena and cava each have 4 letters, V-E-N-A, C-A-V-A. So even the left word has 4 letters, L-E-F-T. So both are present on the left side. Aorta is present on the right side, whereas the vena cava is present on the left side. Now we'll look after the branches of the aortic arch. A quite easy mnemonic, that is ABCs. So A stands for aortic arch, B stands for brachiocephalic trunk, C stands for left common carotid, and S stands for subclavian, that is left subclavian. Next one is the branches of the axillary artery. Sometimes life seems a pain. Superior thoracic, thoracoacromial, lateral thoracic, subscapular, anterior circumflex humeral, posterior circumflex humeral. Cardiac valves, try before you buy. Tricuspid valve, left heart. Bicuspid valve is present on the right heart. Remember, blood flows through tricuspid before the bicuspid valves. Sequence of the heart valves. Try pulling my aorta. Tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and aorta. Number of lung lobes. Tricuspid heart valve and trilobed lung on the right side. Bicuspid valve and bilobed lung on the left side. Branches of the subclavian artery. Very tired individuals sip strong coffee served daily. Vertebral artery, thyrocervical trunk, inferior thyroid, superficial cervical, suprascapular, costocervical, superior intercostal, and deep cervical. Branches of thoracoacromial artery, mnemonic ABCD, acromial, breast, clavicular, as well as the deltoid. Thoracic duct, relation to azygous vein and esophagus. The duct between 2 gooses. Thoracic duct, that is duct. Azygous and esophagus. So azygous and esophagus, remember this mnemonic as the duct between the 2 gooses. Innervations of the serratus anterior, mnemonic SALT. S serratus anterior for long thoracic duct. Contents of superior mediastinum, mnemonic Bats and Tent. Brachiocephalic veins, arch of aorta, thymus, superior vena cava, trachea, esophagus, nose, as well as the thoracic duct. Intercostal blood vessels and nerves, mnemonic VAN, vein, artery, and a nerve. Bronchopulmonary segments of the right lung, mnemonic a palm seed makes another little palm. Apical, posterior, anterior, lateral, medial, superior, medial basal, anterior basal, lateral basal, posterior basal. Branches of subclavian artery, mnemonic vitamin C and D. Vertebral artery, internal thoracic artery, and thyrocervical trunk from the first branch of the subclavian artery. Costocervical trunk from the first part of the left side of and second part of the right side of the subclavian artery. and the dorsal scapular artery from the third part of the subclavian artery. Apertures of diaphragm at the spinal levels. Mnemonic AEI from the ovals AEIOU, that is A for aorta, T12, esophagus, T10, and inferior vena cava from T8. Nerve supply of diaphragm 3 from tree. 3 roots from C, that is C3, C4, and the C5. C5 is the main one which supplies the phrenic nerves. Having any damage to this phrenic nerve causes diaphragm paralysis. So that's it about this mnemonics video. Hope you have understood everything. So please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.